Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got tons of things that sold in the last few days on Poshmark. So let's see what we sold. So my sales have recently picked up a lot. It's kind of back to school time. I think people are more into a routine. They're not traveling for summertime, all that kind of stuff. And so that may be a correlation, or it could be I'm just simply listing a lot more newer things on my closet, and that might have a big reason to do with the reason why my sales are much higher. So let's get into what I actually sold, and we'll add it all up on the board and have a total for these last 2 days of sales. So I've got a majestic Wainwright St. Louis Cardinals jersey, size 54. My earnings are $9.25. I paid $2 for that at a thrift store, so we're at $7.25. The number I'm giving you that I earned on each item is my earnings number, not what it actually sold for. So this is the number after fees, after shipping. So this is a true profit number once I take off what I paid for it. Then the next item I have is really awesome. It's a bundle that I sold in the home goods category. So I sold these 2 Yankee candle jars for $12, and then this set of 5 mini candle jars for $22. My total earnings on both of those were $16. I actually acquired those for free, and so I get to keep the entire $16 for my profit. Then we're going to move on down to this really nice men's dress shirt. It's an Arrow tall fit button down dress shirt. $2.25 is what I earned. Came right out of my own closet. So, well, not my closet, my husband's closet. $2.25 is what I get to keep. So don't be afraid to put your own stuff on there. That's where you make the most profit. Then I've got a Hanes tagless briefs set of underwear. $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid for it. So $2.25 are my profits on that one. Then, of course, I got another candle here. I'm super excited about these candles. So, like I said, I didn't pay any money for them. $5.25 is what I earned on this Yankee candle. $5.25 is what I get to keep. Then I have a high-rise mom jean. Literally, that's the name of it. Okay, high-rise mom jean. $9.05. Got out of a liquidation box for $2. And so we're at $7.05 for profits. Then we've got down here a really cute lace lingerie baby doll robe set, $2.25. I paid $1 for those, so I'm at $1.25 of profit on those. Then we're going to move on down here. I paid $2 for these Kansas City Jayhawks. I have 9,732 of these. Actually, no. But I do have a bunch of these. Check out my Poshmark store or my Hooked on Pickin store. You can buy them there. But they're really cool fleeces for a very, very discounted price. My earnings were $2.25. Spent $2 on them, so I made a whopping 25 cents. And I'm going to give you a good deal because I want to get them all out of my warehouse. Then I've got another bundle of, these were individually sold and then they bundled them together. So they each sold for $15, all 3 of these Yankee candles. I made $24 after all of my fees on those. So I get to keep the entirety of that money since I got those candles for free. And then I've got this toddler Cat and Jack sandal, super cute little girl's sandal. Isn't that adorable? So I acquired those for $4 off of a Via Trading pallet where I got tons of assorted shoes. So $4 is what I paid. $9.05 is what I earned on that one. So I'm at $5.05. That's actually a really, really good profit on a child's shoe. Normally when I sell kids' shoes, I don't make that much money. So I was excited about that. Then I've got 2 sports bras, size small. They're seamless macrame acid wash bralettes. $7.25 is what I earned. $2 total is what I have invested, $1 a piece. And so I'm at $7.25 minus 2 is $5.25 for that one. And then I have a bundle of 3. This is a woman's pleated black skirt, and then a bathing suit, and then I have a pair of knee-high boots that I forgot to get off the shelf, so I'll grab those. But total, my earnings are $32 for all 3 of those. I have $1 invested in the bathing suit, $1 invested in this, and then $7 invested in those particular boots. And so I'm at 32 minus the $7. So I'm at $25 total for that bundle. Then I have some cute slippers that I've had on my store for a while. $3.05 is what I earned on these Fuzzy Baba non-slip slipper socks. $2 is what I paid. $3.05 is what I earned. So I'm at $1.05. Then I have a long line lace push-up bra, boysenberry red wire is the color. $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $4.05 for my profit on that one. Then we're going to wander back down on this end. We have a really cute Star Wars sports bra. $1.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So 25 cents are my profits on that. I sold a lot of those sports bras with the Star Wars on them. Then I've got a Gilligan and O'Malley size 36D front closure underwire bra. $2.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $1.25 on those. Then I have a Victoria's Secret underwire padded bra, 32 double D with lift. $4.25 is what I paid, or what I earned. $1 is what I paid. $3.25 are my profits on that. Then I have a bathing suit, a one-piece swimsuit, black and red and white, athletic style with a high neck. $9.05 is what I paid. $9.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid. So $7.05 are my profits on that bathing suit. So it's the end of the summer and bathing suits are difficult to find right now. And so you will actually sell quite a few around this time of the year because people are still going on vacations. People still live in warmer climates, but it's hard to find bathing suits in the regular department stores. So I've got a new with tags bundle of 10 pair of cotton bikini panties. $1 is what I have invested in it. $4.25 is what I earned. So $3.25 are my profits on that one. Then my next item is a maternity jumpsuit, $13.60. I got it out of a liquidation box for $2. And so $13.60 minus my $2, I'm at $11.60 of profit on that one item. These are amazing shoes. A New Day strappy stiletto heel pump, size 6. $5.25 is what I earned. $2 what I paid. So $3.25 are my profits there. Then I got a pair of high-rise ankle khaki pants, size 18W. $9.05 is what I earned. $2 what I pay out of a liquidation box. So I'm at $7.05. Almost done, I promise. We had, like I said, we had really great sales. So I've got some high-waisted jeggings. $1 is what I paid. $4.25 is what I earned. So I'm at $3.25 for my profits on that one. Then I've got some really cute knee-high boots, some brown ones that I've already got bagged up here. They are size 10. $7.25 is what I earned on those. $2 is what I paid, so I'm at $5.25. And then I've got a pair of high-rise mom jeans, size 12. I earned $11 on them on Poshmark, and then my cost of them are $2, so I'm at $9. Then I have, this is a unique one that I sold that I'm really excited about. So I had gotten these pallets of intimates and I had a bunch of just like miscellaneous, really nice underwear. And so I put together a bundle of 5 packs of sexy underwear that were all the same size. So they're all size small, and I sold them for a really good price. So $6.25 is what I earned on those. And I have about 50 cents a piece invested in those. So about $2.50 minus my $6.25 would be $5.75 or $3.75. I'm making my math hard there. All right, and then I have another pair of those Cat and Jack sandals that I showed you before. $5.25 is what I earned on those. $4 is what I have invested, so $1.25 are my profits. And then I have a Pinky in the Brain Warner Brothers t-shirt. $7.05 is what I have invested, or what I earned, and $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $6.05. Then I have another candle. $5.25 is what I earned, so $5.25 is what I get to keep. As you can see, I sold a lot in these last couple of days. Then I have these fuzzy sandals. I sold a lot of these initially when I first put them on, and then they kind of stalled, and now they're selling again. So I actually spent $2 on them. $2.05 is what I earned, and they've been on there for a while. So I was okay to just offload them for basically almost the same price as what I invested in them. So 5 cents is what I earned. And then the last thing that I've got is another candle where I get to earn $5.25. So I'm actually going to add up all of these numbers and let you know what are my profits now that it's back to school time and people seem to be buying a lot more on Poshmark. All right, I've got everything added up, and it came to a whopping $182 for 31 separate orders on Poshmark. I'm super excited about that number. Hopefully you can see what's awesome selling on Poshmark during the school year, now that everything's kind of settling back in and everybody's getting back into a routine. So hope you love this video, and remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification button so that you know anytime I put out a new video, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.